Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C216 firmware update. You just need to come here to your Tapo app and find your camera and look for the update. Here I have the Tapo C216. So I just get into the camera and I go here to settings. And then you look here for firmware update. Click on it and here you're gonna see the new firmware and the information about it. You just need to hit update. It's important to wait for the update. Do not turn off your camera, okay? So just wait. There we go. So the camera already updated. And it restarts, tests everything here. The pan and tilt movement. So go horizontally and vertically. It looks up and looks down. At first you don't see the information changing here on the screen. It keeps saying updating, but the camera already updated. As long as you don't turn off the camera, you're good to go. Okay, even if the information here is not changing, just check if your camera is ready again. You see here, the LED now is green, so which means the camera is working. Even if the information here on the screen doesn't change, all right? Just don't turn off your camera and you're good to go. Let me just come back here and see if I can see the image from the camera. Got it. And here, come back to the camera, see that's working. Okay, pretty good. And again, if I come here to check the version, you see the update, it's okay, right? So firm update. There is no more information asking to update. And it says that is the latest version, all right? So that's the way you can update the firmware on a Tapo C216. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.